Hi guys, well, welcome back to my channel. Today is a fun day because I went to the P.O. box and we got Ipsy in the mail. It's not sponsored. They have no idea who I am. They did not send this to me. I purchased this with my own money. This is the Ipsy Glam Bag. I believe it's just the regular Glam Bag. I do get the plus and the regular. And I think it's $12 a month for the regular Glam Bag. So right off the bat, the first thing in this box or bag is on the outside, and it is a bean I don't know, some French brand, and it's a concealer perfecting brush. I actually think this would be really good for like a eyeshadow, like outside corner eyeshadow brush. It feels a little bit too small for me for concealer because I like to use a lot of concealer, but we'll see. This is the bag this month, and it's got little cutesy lips on it. What is this month, by the way? It's April. All right, so sometimes there is stuff written on this and sometimes there's not. Okay, so this does have everything listed on the inside of this card, which is really nice and convenient. So the brush is a full-size perfecting concealer brush, and it says, "You haven't seen a concealer brush like this before. Made with densely packed synthetic bristles, and a 40-degree angled brush head that hugs and contours the contours of your face. It's a perfect tool for applying and blending concealer around your eyes, nose, and lips." And it retails for $17. Okay, that's cool to know. The next thing in this box is from PYT Beauty, and I believe that stands for Pretty Young Thing. And this is Upcycle Eyeshadow Palette in Warm Lit Nude. Warm Lit Nude Mini. It says, "Meet your new everyday, everywhere eyeshadow palette. These warm-toned eyeshadows will take you from day to night with ease. Each is formulated with nourishing vitamin E to keep the delicate skin of your lids applying." Oh, I just missed that. "The delicate skin of your lids hydrated, comfy, and soft. Plus, they're vegan and cruelty-free." And this is a deluxe sample, and it retails for the MSRP of this deluxe sample, retails for $28. So this is a mini of the deluxe, and those are the 4 shades right there. They're really pretty. Cool. So the next thing in the little bag is, something I can use right now. The Nourishing Eco Lips Nutri-Defense Organic Lip Balm. And this is with the scent Vanilla Lavender, and it also has pumpkin seed oil in it. You can definitely smell the lavender, but you taste the vanilla, if that makes sense. So it doesn't have that like medicine-y taste. And I like this. I like that a lot. That was really smooth. And that's a full size, and it retails for $3.49. The next thing in this box is Hey Honey Boost It Up Rich Moisturizing. Honey Rich Moisturizer. Long lasting nourishing and hydration. Cool. So this is just a moisturizer, and it is a deluxe sample. This is a half of fluid ounce. There's 15 mLs in here. Get ready to glow. This luxurious cream plumps, brightens, and moisturizing to give dull, dry looking skin a dewy, luminous look. Plus, it's infused with honey to minimize to minimize redness and inflammation. And so this is what the cream looks like. It smells like nothing. Cool. I like that. I actually needed a nice little moisturizer for my bag, so this is nice. I like that. I don't know if it's for your face or not, but I'm using it on my hands. Wow, so this is a deluxe sample size, and it's a 15 ml bottle. The MSRP of the full-size version of this product is a 50 ml bottle, and it retails for $51. That's probably a face product, an expensive one at that. I should use it on my face. The last thing in this box, is the Milk Makeup Kush Mascara. I'm not going to open it. I am just going to literally put it straight in my giveaway box. Because, yeah, Kush and your girl here don't get along. It makes me break out, and I don't like that. So that's going right into that giveaway box for you girls or guys, whoever wins it. And I will be holding that giveaway once we hit 500 subscribers. So be sure to like and give us a big thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already. And hit the bell for notifications so that you are notified. So yes, to make sure you are notified when I get... No, to make sure you get a notification when I upload, you gotta hit the bell. But I didn't think that this is a bad little box. My favorite thing in here, I have to say, is this really weird concealer brush, but I don't think I'm gonna use it for concealer, and the lip balm, of all things. I am pretty excited to try PYT's eyeshadow. I haven't tried it yet, so that is fun. I will look forward to that. I'm not gonna try them all on my face right now, but maybe in the next one. Bye, guys. I hope you like this. Give us a big thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already. Bye.